to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the brand Cocokind, and I only have like two products from the brand, but this is a new brand to me and I've heard really good things about it, and I got this for Hanukkah and I'm so excited to try this out. So I got this new tapestry. I love it. Yesterday I dyed my hair purple again. Oh, I don't know if you could see it, but yeah, I love it. Okay, now these are the two products. The packaging is the cutest thing ever. Okay, so tonight I'm going to be doing a face mask first. This is the chlorophyll mask, and this is 2 ounces. Now these were really good price and very affordable. So chlorophyll is actually, I learned about this in biology freshman year. Chlorophyll is in the animal cell, and yeah, that's what I remember. Detoxing. It comes with this little spatula. Looks kind of separate. Oh, so this is the powder and you mix it with water. I thought it was just liquid. So using the included spatula, place 1 or 2 scoops in your palm and mix it with equal parts water. Apply mixture to face and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. How does it peel, you think? Okay, good. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. That's why it looks separated. And then I'm gonna open this is the matcha moisturizer, and I'm really excited to use this, especially like after retinol. This would be really good, rich, thick moisturizer to put on after. And so cute, the packaging. I think they sell this at Target. I think I saw something, but pretty green. Okay, I'm going to take you with me. Okay, so first I'm gonna put this headband. So I feel like this channel is gonna turn into more skincare stuff because that's my passion now. Cute. And what is it? I had this little mixing bowl. It came from a powder mask just like this. Wash it out. Came off. Oh my god, it smells like chlorophyll. So, okay, so this is, I'm just gonna take 2 scoops of that. 1, 2. Add a little water. Okay, mix. This direction. It says into your palm, but it is really pretty. I saw pictures of people. This is what made me want to buy it. This girl from TikTok. I don't know if I was supposed to use this to mix, but I hope I made enough. If I didn't, you can always put more. So pretty. Oh my god. It smells like fucking rabbit food. But I know it's gonna be really good for my skin. Chlorophyll is plant and nutrients and other stuff. I kind of forget because that would be reaching deep down into my brain knowledge, but Okay, let me just check the time, 8:32. So, yeah. Make sure to always cleanse your face before you do a face mask. Or else it's just kind of like useless, kind of. So you won't really get the good properties. Yeah, next time I'll do it in my palm like it said. No, this is, I feel like it's gonna be a really good moisturizing mask. God, I'm gonna have to get used to this oathy smell. Okay. Wash it off. Like brush. Okay, I'll see you back in 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. It feels tight. I like to use these soft, oh gosh, towels to my face. Oh God! Ugh. Definitely gonna stain my washcloth. Weird texture. Use the warm water. But not hot water, because that could damage your skin. Like, I mean like burning hot. Because I used to think it used to open your pores. It doesn't really technically like open, but it loosens them. To make stuff come out easier. Why does my face look green? After I was there. I feel like it's stained my skin. Okay. See you in a couple of minutes. Okay, so I'm back. Does not feel tight at all. So, we can do the sandwich method, of course, because I'm using the retinol. I'm gonna use this. Centella Calming Gel Cream. Oh, fuck. Hope you guys have an amazing holiday. So I've been on this new retinoid for a couple weeks now. It's really helped my oiliness. This is the Tazoronine 0.1%. I don't know if I said it right. Yeah. My treat is so pea-sized amount. I don't know if I put enough. Ooh, Liana texted me. Yeah. Get under eye because that helps with dark circles. Okay, I need a new tripod because this shit is annoying me. Okay. I need to put this on now. You know what? I give up. Okay, here's the matcha moisturizer. Thumbnail, because I love thumbnails. That's just really good for your skin. Hope it doesn't turn my face green. Thick. I like it. Yeah, definitely nice. It looks like avocados. Guacamole. Okay, let me try to get this on because I need to see if it's pilling and I need to rub it in. Oh my god. Oh god. Do you see it? Look how it's green. Maybe from the face mask or moisturizer. Okay, see? Okay. You just gotta work your way through it. I like these a lot. I think the texture of both of them I need to get used to, but I love it so far, and thanks for watching.